Hello guys, I'm bringing you some expected solved questions for UGC NET, SET, GATE, CSIT on computer network. Myself Dr. Dibya Bora. You'll find my introduction in the description below. Okay, coming to the topic. First, this question is, which one is private IP address? Option A, 12.0.0.1. Option B, 168.172.19.39. Option C, 172.15.14.36. Option D, 192.168.24.43. So we need to find out which one is private IP address. So for that we have to know what is private IP address. So coming to the topic, private IP address. IP address is being broadly classified into two types: public and private. Public means access to anyone, just like your google.com, and private, not accessible to everyone. Okay, so it is restricted to outside world. Now, for the class A, class B and class C, we have some range for private IP addresses. For class A, private range is 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. Okay, zeros to 255. Okay, this is the private range for class A. Class B, private range is 172.16.00 to 172.31.255.255. Okay, class C, private range is 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. You can take a screenshot of this slide. Okay, this will help you. So these are the private ranges belonging to class A, class B, class C. Now I'm coming to the question again. So we need to find out the private IP address. If I consider the first one, 12.0.0.1, it is not falling under the private range of class A, so it's opt out because it can't come under class B. Then coming to 168.172.19.39, it is again not falling under any class private range. Okay, as you know, the class B's private range starts from 172.16, isn't it? Then coming to the option C. Option C is 172.15.14.36. Well, you might remember that class B's private range is starting from 172.16.00. So this is 15. Okay, so this is again opted out. Then last one, 192.168.24.43. Well, this is coming under class C private range. Why? You have seen that class C's private range is 192.168.00 to 192.168.255.255, and it is very certain that 192.168.24.40 is falling under this range. So this is a class C private range. So of course, what will be our answer? Answer will be the option D, that is 192.168.24.40. Private IP address under classes. Well, I hope this private IP address is very clear to you. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel for upcoming video lectures. That will be very important for you, and do share with your friends. Now coming to our questions today. This one is an expected question for UGC NET coming computer science. Well, will be important for GATE CSIT to also. So here, detect the private IP address. First one is given 172.31.72.85. Option B 13.0.0.5. Option C 189.15.7.12. Option D 192.165.13.25. Well, you take a screenshot of this slide and try to solve it. I hope you can solve it. Anyway, I am giving the answer in the description below, and also at the topmost comment you will find the answer. So guys, comment your answer and hope to see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.